I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials, updated Google app or Chrome, and signed in. Once done, grant camera permission so the feature can map your face or body. Tap the product category you want to try on, such as glasses or hats, and select a specific item. Make sure lighting is even and your background isn't too busy. This lets the AR overlay align correctly and reduces jitter. Now hold your device steady and prepare to see the virtual try-on appear in real time. Positioning matters. Center your face or body in the frame and keep your device at a consistent eye or chest level so the AR model locks on. Once the item appears, use on-screen controls to zoom, rotate, and tweak color or size. Move slowly through natural angles, left, right, tilt, so the system recalibrates. If the app offers lighting modes or skin tone adjustments, toggle them to match real-world conditions. Doing this helps assess fit and coverage before you commit to a purchase, or when you're happy, tap Save, Share, or Add to Cart and double-check size and product details. If the virtual item looks off, recalibrate. Recenter yourself, move to a clearer background, or regrant camera permissions. Sometimes alignment errors come from cached data. If so, close the app, clear cache, and reopen. Also try different lighting, brighter, softer, or natural to improve tracking. If issues persist, switch devices or update the app. These steps resolve most problems and get you back to a reliable try-on experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.